Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nurse Alyssa, and today we're going to be discussing 7 low-tox hacks to save you money. But first, if you could hit that subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated, as it truly does help my channel reach more people. So let's get started, guys. So hack number 1, making your own cleaning supplies. You can easily make effective cleaning products using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Not only are these products cheaper than in-store bought options, but they're also better for your health and for the environment. Tip number 2, reusable bags and containers. Using single-use plastic bags and containers can be harmful for both you and the environment. Instead, invest in some reusable options that can save you money over time. Number 3, using natural personal care products. So many personal care products contain harmful chemicals that have a negative impact on your health. Switching to natural options such as coconut oil, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and essential oils can save you money while also reducing your exposure to toxins. Number 4, eat organic where it matters. While buying organic produce can be more expensive, there are certain fruits and vegetables that are more heavily sprayed with pesticides than others. So focus on buying these items organically. You can save money while reducing your exposure to harmful chemicals. So let's talk about that for a minute. So here you can see the Dirty Dozen and the Clean 15. So these are the things that I'm trying to educate on. Sometimes, yes, organic food is super expensive and we can't afford to buy everything organic. But if we're going to buy organic, let's choose the Dirty Dozen, okay? There are the Clean 15. So this is your cabbage, your avocados, your grapefruit, your eggplant, cantaloupe, mushrooms, frozen peas, kiwi, mangoes, onions, sweet corn, sweet potatoes, pineapple, asparagus, papaya. Those are all clean fruit that you can eat. They're not sprayed with as many pesticides. Now let's look at the Dirty Dozen. These are the fruits and vegetables that you should be buying organic. So your grapes, your nectarines, your strawberries, your bell peppers, your potatoes, your celery, apples, hot peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, kale, collard greens, and spinach, your summer squash and zucchini. These are all considered part of the Dirty Dozen, and we need to buy those organic. Number 5, make your own meals from scratch. Okay, I always like to say, eat from the outside of the grocery store. These are your whole clean foods. Okay, so eating out or buying prepackaged meals, it can be expensive and often contain additives, preservatives that are harmful to your health. Cooking meals from scratch uses whole, unprocessed ingredients, saving you money and improving your health. So as you can see from the pictures, there was potatoes and box mashed potatoes. Now, box mashed potatoes, it contains high levels of salt. It also contains preservatives. When we can just literally cut up some potatoes and boil them and mash them ourselves, okay? So yes, the convenience factor, I understand, but it's not that hard to cut up some potatoes. And then honestly, you're going to get so much more potatoes for the money, right? It's a lot cheaper to buy whole foods, and you can make so much more for your family, make your dollar stretch. Number 6, choosing non-toxic home decor. So many furniture and home decor items contain harmful chemicals that can off-gas into your home. So choosing natural options like bamboo, organic cotton, or reclaimed wood can save you money while also reducing your risk of exposure to toxins. And last but not least, get outside. So spending time outdoors is not only good for your mental and physical health, but it's also a low-tox way to have fun and save money. Instead of going to expensive indoor attractions, try hiking, biking, have a picnic at your local park. So those are 7 ways that you can reduce your cost of a low tox lifestyle. Now, if you are looking for low tox products at a budget that you can afford, please check out the link in the description. I do offer to help people switch to low tox products without a burden to your budget. So if that's something that you're looking for, please do click the link down in the description. But that's all I have for this video, guys. I hope you did find it helpful, and I hope to catch you in my next one. Bye for now.